On Saturday, October 8th, our community was struck hard by Hurricane Matthew, causing significant damage and record flooding. Myrtle Beach Communications has proudly provided two-way radio service throughout the affected area for nearly 60 years. Many have found out that instant push-to-talk communications to their team is the most effective way to coordinate relief and recovery efforts. Myrtle Beach Communications offers many solutions, from local on-site communications to a regional radio network covering 5 counties throughout coastal North and South Carolina. For more information on how two-way radios and Myrtle Beach Communications can help your organization in the moments that matter, please call us today at 843-444-1199. Thanks for listening. We hope to speak to you soon.